derivatives of trigonometric functions. So we will solve the following examples for you to understand how to differentiate trigonometric functions. Example 1, y is equals to 8 sine x cos x. 2, 14 tan x cos x plus 10 cosec x. 3, y is equals to x squared cos x sin x. And finally, y is equals to 10 sine 4 raised to the power 4x. So we will start by example 1, which is y is equals to 8 sine x cos x. So question 1, y is equals to 8 sine x cos x. Y is equals to 8 sine x cos x. It involves two functions, sine x and cos x. So use a product rule to differentiate a product rule of two functions, and it states that d of jx multiplied by hx is equals to derivative of gx hx plus gx derivative of hx. So let your gx to be sine x, and hx cos x. dy all over dx is equals to 8 derivative of sine x is cos x times cos x is cos squared x plus gx is sine x multiplied by derivative of cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sine x, so minus sine x. dy, simplify it further by you cos squared x minus sine squared x is equivalent to cos 2x from our trigonometric identity. dy all over dx is equals to 8 cos 2x. This is your required solution. Example 2, y is equals to 14 tan x cos x plus 10 cosec x. So find the derivative of this. 14 tan x cos x plus 10 cosec x. So you tan x is the same as sin x over cos x. If you put it here, you will have y is equals to 14 sin x over cos x multiplied by cos x plus 10 cosec x. Cos and cos cancel. So you have y is equals to 14 sin x plus 10 cosec x. Now you can find the derivative of this. So dy all over dx is equals to 14 sin x. Derivative of this with function of x. Derivative of sin x is equals to cos x. Remember that. So 14 cos x plus 10 derivative of cosec x. So from our mathematical table is equals to minus cosec x cot x. So minus 10 cosec x cot x. So dy is equals to 14 cos x minus 10 cosec x cot x. This is your required answer. So question 3, find the derivative of y is equals to x squared cos x sin x. It involves three fractions, that is x squared cos x sin x. We will use product rule to differentiate, such that you find the derivative of x squared, you hold the other, you add derivative of cos x, you hold the other, plus derivative of sin x, you hold x squared cos x. So dy all over dx is equals to derivative of x squared cos x sin x plus x squared derivative of cos x sin cos x, and gauge the brackets, sin x plus x squared cos x derivative of sin x. It will be dy all over dx, derivative of x squared is 2x cos x sin x. So derivative of cos x is minus, so minus x squared, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Sin x times sin x is sin squared x plus x squared cos x times derivative of sin x, which is cos x, cos squared x. So you have 2x cos x, and you have x squared sin squared x plus x squared cos squared x, such that, so 2x cos x sin x, factor out negative x squared, you have sin squared x minus cos squared x. But remember that sin 2x, this is our trigonometric identity, is equals to 2 cos x sin x, and cos 2x is equals to and cos 2x is equals to cos squared x minus sin squared x minus sin squared x. So this will be this part, open the bracket, it will be 2x cos x, and cos x sin x is sin 2x, so 2x multiplied by a half sin 2x plus cos plus x squared cos 2x. This is equals to x sin 2x plus x squared cos 2x. This is your required solution. Question for y is equals to 20 sin 4 raised to 4x. So you want to differentiate. Consider this sin raised to the power 4x and let it to be a letter like t. So a sin x is equals to t. Do you see it? So your y will be 20 t raised to the power 4. And you can find the derivative of this, which will be dy all over dt is equals to 8 t raised to power 3. Call this equation 1. And sine x is equals to t. You take derivative on both sides. You have dx cos x is equals to dt. So dt all over dx is equals to cos x. Now you can use the chain rule in form of such that dy is over dx is equals to dy all over dt multiplied by dt all over dx. Your dy all over dt equals to 8t cubed multiplied by dt all over dx, which is cos x. So dy all over dx is equals to 8t, but t is sine x, sine cubed x cos x. Are we together? So you can simplify it further or write it like this. 8 is equals to, remember that sine cubed x is simply equal to sine squared x multiplied by sine x. So sine squared x cos x. And this from trigonometric identity is equals to half sine 2x. So your dy all over dx is equals to 8 times divided by 2. These 2 sine squared x sine 2x, which is equals to 40 sine squared x sine 2x. Your required solution.